Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a Microsoft Purview account in the chosen Azure subscription and region. This provides the management plane. Next, assign roles, data curator and appropriate contributor rights to service principals and admins so scans and classifications can run. Then register your core data sources like Azure Storage, ADLs, and SQL endpoints. Provide credentials and firewall exceptions. Once done, trigger an initial metadata scan to build the asset catalog and confirm connectivity before moving to classification and policy configuration. Now you configure how Purview inspects data, enable built-in sensitive information types, and add custom classifiers for organization-specific patterns because automated detection avoids manual tagging. Create scan rules and schedules, start with full scans, then switch to incremental to save resources. Map detected classifications to labels and retention rules so governance automates lifecycle actions. Also configure connectors and credential rotations. Make sure scan accounts have least privilege access. Once scans run, review sample results and refine classifiers. Finish by publishing a business glossary and tagging critical assets so stakeholders understand data meaning. This reduces misuse and speeds discovery. Enable Purview insights and alerts to monitor classification trends and policy hits, and wire alerts to remediation playbooks or automation so issues are tracked. Validate and tighten access policies, then run a validation scan to ensure labels and retention apply. If something fails, check service principal permissions, firewall rules, and connector credentials first. Fix those and rerun scans as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.